Everyone thinks the best-selling rowing machine is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, WaterRower Magnetic WaterRower. The WaterRower magnetic rowing machine caught my attention right away with its sleek design and affordability at $240.33. If you want a quiet, effective workout without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. What really stands out here is the 12 lb flywheel combined with a magnetic resistance system. The LCD monitor displays essential metrics like distance and calories burned, which helps you track your progress. Here's why this matters for you specifically. That kind of feedback can keep you motivated and focused on your fitness goals. Plus, with over 2,000 units sold just in the past month, it's clear that many people are finding value in this rower. Now, some folks have mentioned that the assembly can take a bit longer than advertised, and I get that. It can be frustrating. But honestly, once it's set up, you'll appreciate how sturdy and quiet it is during use, making it a non-issue for most users. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly rowing machine that offers a solid workout. Skip this one if you're planning on heavy usage with multiple users, as it may not withstand that level of wear and tear. For the price, it's a great investment in your home fitness. Now, if that assembly time stressed you out, the next one on my list might actually be even better for ease of setup and use. Product number 2, WaterRower Q1S Magnetic Rowing Machine. Next up is the WaterRower Q1S Magnetic Rowing Machine, priced similarly at $240.33. If you want advanced features and a personalized experience, this one deserves your attention. What really hooked me about the Q1S is its app compatibility and adjustable resistance. You can monitor your heart rate and calories burned through their app, which makes tracking progress super easy. Imagine being able to join a virtual rowing class from the comfort of your home. This matters because it keeps your workouts fresh and engaging, preventing boredom. And with over 1,000 units sold recently, it seems like others are already enjoying these features. However, some users have pointed out that the seat can feel a bit stiff during long sessions. I'll be real with you, that might be a deal breaker if you're planning on rowing for hours. But for most people, it's manageable and you can always add a cushion to enhance comfort. This is perfect for you if you love tech and want a fully connected rowing experience. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional machine without all the bells and whistles. For the features you get, it's worth the investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one might actually be an even better choice if you're focused on space efficiency. Product number 3, WaterRower Compact Rowing Machine. The WaterRower Magnetic Rowing Machine is next, priced at $215.03. If you live in a tight space but still want an effective workout, this one's definitely worth checking out. What I found impressive is its compact design combined with powerful magnetic resistance, which operates under 25 dB for a nearly silent experience. It also supports up to 350 pounds, making it versatile for different users. Plus, the LCD monitor tracks your time, calories, and distance, giving you all the insights you need to stay motivated. This matters because being able to visualize your progress can really push you to the next level. On the downside, some users have noted that it can take a bit of time to get used to the rowing motion, especially if you're a beginner. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate the smooth, joint-friendly rowing experience. This is perfect for you if you want a quiet, space-saving option that still delivers a solid workout. Skip this if you're looking for something more heavy-duty for intense training sessions. For its price, it offers excellent value for those with limited space. Now, if you're looking to enhance your rowing experience even further, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 4, Fitness Rowing Machine Seat Cushion. Next, let's talk about the Fitness Rowing Machine Seat Cushion, priced at $42.05. If you're looking for comfort during those long rowing sessions, this cushion is worth a look. What sets this cushion apart is its memory foam tailbone relief design, which significantly reduces soreness during workouts. This means you can focus on your rowing technique rather than shifting around in discomfort. The universal fit makes it compatible with various rowing machines, including the Concept2, which is perfect if you own multiple machines. This matters for you specifically, as comfort can directly impact your performance and motivation to keep rowing. However, some buyers have mentioned that it can slip out of place during intense sessions. I get that frustration, but honestly, if you adjust it properly and use it with a machine that suits it, you shouldn't have too many issues. This is perfect for you if you spend a lot of time on your rowing machine and need extra cushioning. Skip this if you prefer a firmer seat or have a machine that doesn't accommodate cushions well. For the price, it's a good investment in your comfort. Next up is another cushion, but this one offers some unique features that might catch your interest. Product number 5, 2K Fit Rowing Machine Seat Cushion. Finally, we have the 2K Fit Rowing Machine Seat Cushion, priced at $50.59. If you're serious about comfort and quality, this could be your go-to choice. What makes this cushion stand out is the custom memory foam that provides maximum tailbone comfort even during long workouts. It also features a washable cover, which is a lifesaver for keeping things clean after intense sessions. This cushion fits perfectly on the Concept2 and can even be secured with straps to prevent slipping. This matters because you won't have to constantly adjust it mid-workout, allowing you to stay focused on your form. But here's the kicker. Some users have reported that the straps can be a bit cumbersome to deal with. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, the comfort really outweighs that minor hassle. This is perfect for you if you're focused on comfort and want a dependable cushion for your rowing machine. Skip this if you're looking for a budget option, as this is on the pricier side for a cushion. But for the quality and comfort it provides, it's worth the investment. So to wrap it all up, you've got the WaterRower for budget-friendly quiet workouts, the MERACH for app compatibility, the YPOO for compact living, and 2 great cushion options for added comfort. Choose based on what matters most to you, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your fitness goals.